Okay, all right. So Tanisha, can you try to fix the centering now of the greatest wholesale, that line there? You want to go ahead and try and fix that one step by step. So go over into the code pen. No, stay on the code pen, please. Stay on the code pen. Don't switch it. 'Cause we're looking at your screen. All right. So do you know the first thing you need to do? You need to put some space in between the first bracket, the H1 bracket. Put some space in between it, because that's where you type, right? All right. So go ahead and put in the word style, because you're changing the style of it, right? All right. After the equal, remember to start an open quotation mark. Yeah. Uh-huh.
So is everybody supposed to see it?
Yeah, everybody's supposed to be seeing your screen right now.
No, I'm not seeing it.
Or some people not seeing?
No, I have a great.
All right, guys. Just hold on a second. I'm gonna send a screenshot. Just pause there for a moment there, Tanisha. I'm gonna send a screenshot. Yeah, guys, we know. Hold on a second. I'm gonna send a screenshot. All right. Just hang on a second, so that you can follow along with us. Um, Tanisha, share your whole screen. Or were you sharing the whole screen or just a tab?
Satu lagi. Satu apa?
Tanisha, when you went on share, is it the whole screen option, entire screen option you chose, or just the tab? Because I find that sometimes the entire screen option actually works better. Which option did you use? Was it entire screen or? Okay, look, I actually pause the screen share. Okay, I'm not seeing your code pen. Please go back to your code pen. Oh, well, if you're distracted, it's gonna be kind of hard for you to really grasp this up. So is it that you have work at the nights this time? Okay, switch over to your code pen. Let me see what you have there. All right, you're supposed to have the text align center supposed to be in green. Make sure that you have the word style there. After each one, you have the word style, equal, open quotation. Yeah, that's it. All right, see it's centered now. So it's just for you to make sure that you don't miss any of the punctuation. All right, and then to center the green, just make the adjustment to center the green. Add the center for the green shop online. So that one, you're going to add an extra attribute there. You can put it in front or behind, doesn't matter. It can go after the color or before the color. Now don't press enter, just try to keep it on one line. Separate it with a colon. Remember when you have more than one attribute, you have to separate with a colon, semicolon, sorry. All right, so there you go. So it's just for you to practice and get it right. All right, anybody else have any questions or thanks? Tanisha, you can save that. And if you need to concentrate on your work, you can go back and do that, right? So that's pretty much it. You had the H3s all being the same. So that was good. And you got the background color. So you didn't really have much that you really missed. So I'm surprised you wanted to give up, right? um, anybody else want to show something? If you want, you can continue listening to us, but you don't need to share your screen anymore. Anybody else want to go through anything in particular? All right, we're gonna have, in terms of having live class, we're gonna have a day off tomorrow and Saturday, but I'm gonna send a lot of examples for you to practice. I'm also gonna send some YouTube videos for you to watch and learn some concepts. And then if anything, we can discuss it on Sunday evening. All right, but before I go for tonight, anybody have anything else they want to discuss about what we have done so far? Yes, meaning that we won't have live class. You'll get work and you'll get YouTube videos, but we won't have any live Skype class. That's what I mean by that. You'll get work, You're gonna get lots of work, and you will get also notes. Remember, the Google Classroom will also send notes. So there is assignments and there's notes. Different from I'm not talking about the YouTube videos now. I'm talking about you actually have notes in the Google Classroom. Hope you have been checking those out. All right. Anybody have anything that they want to ask me about, that they want me to guide them through? No, please speak up. So no live Skype tomorrow and no live Skype. Sorry, in my comments you said I missed a background color. Post your code now and just remind me what it is that you did. Post the code and let me see what you did, Clara. Alright, so which one of these you said is the thing now, Clara? Come in, guys, one at a time. Which one of these you said no? You said that, you missed a background color. Okay, let's see. Background color black. Background color. You're supposed to have. Right, so I don't know if you change it afterwards of the last line. Well,
No, sir, I didn't change it. I just changed it, but I just added in the BR,
yeah,
but
but at
this
the
is
time,
the
I
one.
guess at the time you didn't have it. You've just put it in.
No, no. It was like that. That's the one I sent in first.
Oh, I don't know. For some reason, I didn't see the background color black then, I guess. for some reason.
That's why I was confused because
Yeah, but
I
if
said
you had it
black
if you had it in there like no, if you had it in there like no, then it's correct. So I mean, I'm not sure what happened before, but if what you're showing me right now is what you have there, then yeah. But the text align left though, you didn't need that part, right? That part it's always aligned left by default. If you look at the other examples I've given you, you never had to put in left. Once you put in the background color and the text color, you don't have to say align left. So that wasn't necessary really.
Oh,
It's left by
okay.
default. So okay. Right. So the rest of you, I will comment on yours if I didn't comment on it before, but that's after the live class. Okay. I did say that before, so just be patient. I'll comment on that if you need me to. But based on the comments, you will know if you did the right thing or not. The comments in the live class that I've been doing so far, you'll know if you had any errors in yours. Anybody else have anything else that they wanted to be guided through live? Yeah, but based on what you're seeing so far, you'd have either been putting in some tags you didn't need or you left out some. So as I mentioned before, for the last three, you'd have wanted to do, yeah, you have to make mistakes to learn. That's how it then post your code now, bossy, so we can comment on it. If you want to comment on it live, post your code, Nicola. All right, let's see. It must have been one thing that you did wrong if you got 90. All right, so you align center, that was fine. The wholesale color green, text align center, that was fine. Shop online, where? All right, H2 style color purple. Background color yellow. Orange, text color orange, background color blue, that's fine. For the food. Oh, so for you, no, you didn't have the BR after the heading. After the green heading, shop online anywhere, you didn't have the BR. That was needed there. I suppose if you had put in, although the paragraph wouldn't have been the right way to do it still, it would have been a BR. So, okay, one of the things that you guys need to realize, whenever I give an assignment, it's always going to draw on things that you have done in the previous classes. So the fact that some of you should have picked up on is that you didn't have a BR in your code, that should have been kind of suspicious that you would have needed a BR in there. So I can give you a hint how to figure out my assignments. How to figure me out? I'm always going to be testing you on something that you learned in previous classes. So that's a hint I'm giving you. So it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to use everything in the previous classes, but the fact that you didn't have a BR in there, that would have been a hint that that was to be used. Because we did the BR for break. Remember, use the BR when you're not treating something like a paragraph, okay? So you don't use a paragraph to have a break line. The break line is BR. The paragraph is when you want to have a text identified as a paragraph, and you're gonna see how that makes a difference now. All right, so I'm gonna do a spot assignment, a spot quiz. Um, Let me pick on Allison. Allison, I want you to type a code that will center. All right, so type a paragraph. Put a line in paragraph saying hello, today is Thursday. Create a paragraph saying hello, today is Thursday in HTML. Type it in the chat. Can you hear me, Allison? Or everybody else you can watch, Okay. All right, so Allison, type a paragraph that says hello, today is Thursday. Everybody else, please stop typing, please, so you don't distract her. Just hold on a minute. Hold on. You guys are typing chop, 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 and I'm not understanding what you're saying. Yeah, man, listen, I realize that you're here now, so just I'm doing an on-the-spot quiz. No, man, do it right. Well, you can do it because some people are not seeing the screen share. Just do it in the chat. You can do it in the code pen as well if you want, but do it in the chat so everybody can see. Create a paragraph that says, hello, today is Thursday. Create it using the HTML, the appropriate HTML code. Vindel, stop typing, please. I don't want anybody else to put text in there. I want Alison to. You can ask the question after. Just wait till Alison finish her thing. Vindel, stop typing. Alison, you don't know how to do it? Or she's typing now? Coming up? No, man, that should have cooked long time, man. It's a very simple one, tree that. Just a paragraph, nothing more, just as exactly as I tell you. A paragraph. Hello? All right. I'm giving you 10 more seconds to type the answer, Alison. Let me see who else is on the call. All right, I'll pick on Ashley next if Alison doesn't get it. 5 seconds. 3 seconds.
No, I'm sorry.
All right, Alison, I said a paragraph and you gave me a heading.
You said we don't really come to me.
Your heading is correct, but I didn't ask you for a heading, I asked you for a paragraph. Actually, you're not ready either. Come on, guys. It's supposed to take you like 3 seconds to do it, man. It's a 1-3 by now, you know. Who else is on now? Danielia, type it up for me quick and fast. 5 people typing. Oh, what going on, you know? Everybody want cook. Everybody cooking now. Oh, what really are going though? Let me wait and see what's going to happen right here, so. Yeah, that's the correct thing, Nicola, even though I didn't call on you. Nicola just decided to be advanced. Yes, Sashi, that is correct also. All right, you have the opening and closing tag. Alison, you left off the closing tag, but you started correctly. All right, Nicole, hold on, man. We're not taking the time, man. When I was asking anybody have any questions, crickets, I know everybody running in with the questions. All right, Nicole, since you were so previous, type center that paragraph that you did a while ago to show Okina how you center things. Nobody else but Nicoida type. Everybody else backspace on your keyboard. Nicoida, show Okina how you center something using the same paragraph that you did. Center that paragraph that you typed a while ago, Nicoida. Nobody else should be typing. Nobody else but Nicoida should be typing. I see 4 people typing. Nobody else but Nicoida should be typing. So Nicoida, you're going to center that paragraph to show Okina how you center. You're gonna go and get it by tonight. I swear if I even 12 o'clock where I go. Alright? Tell your baby father hold on, later time get him thing. Tell your baby hold on, or push your back in your baby mouth. Nobody not sleep till they get this. Alright, okay now. You see that there? So you center things, you just open up the tab and put the word style equal text align center in quotation. Alright, so we're going to try you now, Okino. Okino, I want a header, a level 2 header that says tomorrow is Friday. Just put that, that's exactly what as I tell you. I want a level 2 header that says tomorrow is Friday. Everybody watch and see what Okina does and learn. Whether he makes a mistake or get it right, learn. Daniela, don't type anything. Okina only. Wait until he's finished and he can ask a question, please. Thank you. Okina, I want a level 2 heading that says tomorrow is Friday. Only Okina should be typing now. Daniela, stop typing. Tomorrow is Friday. Okay, now what are you typing so long, bro? Hot seat reaching out tonight. Hot seat reaching out tonight. So 3 people typing now. All right, you made a slight mistake there. I want Allison to correct his mistake. Everybody else stop typing. I want somebody to also correct Sashay's mistake. Allison, correct Sashay and Okina's mistake. Oh boy, when you center things, you know, center it. And I didn't ask you to center it this time and you center it. Allison, please correct both of them. Both of them didn't do what I asked. I want a level 2 header that says tomorrow is Friday. Only Allison should be typing now. Only Allison should be typing. Nobody else. Why Sashi? You know, just hard easy, man. I wanted to give Allison a chance to practice it and fix it. Why not here? Hmm? Allison, remember, you have to be careful. Don't leave out the brackets. Please fix that, Allison. Please edit and fix that up right now, right now. Allison, please put on the bracket for the H2. The first H2. Shani. Yeah, okay, good job, Allison. Shani, you're up next.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I want a level 1 heading with background color brown that says I love food. Level 1 heading, background color brown, I love food. Listen, you can open your mic and just tell me if you're getting it a little better now with this practice. Just open your mic, don't type because Shani is typing.
Yes, sir. Getting the hang of it.
Okay, good. Whoa, that was fast. That was fast. So we have a fast typist here. Okay. All right. Pretty good. All right. Let me pick on somebody else now. Rochelle? Hello, Rochelle. Hello, Rochelle. Rochelle not there. All right, everybody do this one. I want to have a, what is Nicole and Shani type in now?
Not really, sir. I was just getting prepared for what you were going to say.
Oh, you ready now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, I need I need I need the days of the week in size going from smallest at the top to largest at the bottom. Well, only 6 days of the week we can have really with this example. All right, go right now. Starting with the smallest, going down to the biggest. Nobody else type no, please. Anybody else that wants to communicate, you can talk because the student responding will be typing. So if you want to say something, talk, please. Yeah, days of the week from smallest to largest. The 6 days. You only can do 6 days. You can't do 7 days with what I'm asking. So I should have said like Monday to Saturday. So that would have been 6 days. Why is Nicoida typing? I never asked Nicoida to do this. One person asked to do this a while ago. Wasn't it Chania asked to do this a while ago? Why is Nicoida type? Oh, I said everyone?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
Sir, one.
Oh, okay. All right. So the next person put in the next one then. Which one come after that one? After what Nicoida type? But the rest of you can write it in your notebook while you're figuring it out. These are just some refresher questions. But you guys have to go through your notes and you must try to rewatch the videos. No, sir. Each one can't come so soon, Daniela. So you're getting smaller, so it would be H5. Try it out in CodePen and you will see. Alright? Try it out in CodePen and you'll see. Remember the biggest one have the smallest number. That's how the headings go. Right. So Thursday would be what? What header size? Right, right. You don't need any break line in this, you know. You just need the headers always come on a new line. Once you put a H tag, it always creates a new line for the next text to follow. So you don't need any BR for this. But the header tags are correct though, in order of smallest to biggest.
Okay, thanks, sir.
All right. Now everybody has a copy somewhere in their notes or file of the activity that I sent earlier in Skype today, right? Where I said to organize the tags in the correct order. Everybody wrote down the correct answer for that. Now Nicole, do me a favor, please, and just type it back on the screen. Oh, I don't know if you get a chance because people are interrupting you. Just in case somebody forget, type it back on the screen for me, please. No, not one by one, the whole thing one time, man. That'll go and confuse people. Rub out that and start again. I think some people might have joined us later, so that's another reason to. But the other reason why I'm asking is because we're going to use it for your next activity. No, boss, space out the thing properly, no man. Press the enter key so that people can see it. It goes.
Sir, when you press the enter key, it will send the message. That's why I had used the.
I think you use shift enter to type
Okay.
the shift and enter. Yeah. Maybe some of you didn't know that stuff. So try it again, just so people can see top from top to bottom. So it looks yeah. Yeah, right. So that's the answer for it. Okay, now remember, that all of the codes that you use to display any content in on a web page goes in between the body section. All right. So I want you to take this and put the example that you had before inside there, just as an example. So you can use any one of them. You can use the exercise from today with the greatest wholesale, or any of the other examples, just to get a feel of what it is like to write a complete structured web page. Because remember, CodePen allows you just to type in the part that would go in between the body. All right. So a full web page, what would a full web page look like if you're typing the HTML from start to finish and we're using the examples that we did? It can be any example, it can be example from today, yesterday. Put it inside of a complete HTML structure as you have there. And so place the answer at one go, okay? Use any of the examples. Um, that's what you're supposed to do. So you're just basically copy pasting. I'm just trying to emphasize the fact that whenever you're putting information, content to be displayed, it's in the body area that information would go. That's what I'm trying to just get you to practice, all right? Okay, some people are leaving. I don't know if their internet is bad. Yeah, okay, so that's an example there using the activity from before. All right. If you paste all of that in CodePen, it probably will still work, but CodePen will probably complain because CodePen doesn't want you to have the HTML and body tag and head tag in there. But that's how you would type up a complete web page. So take notes, every guys. So let me just type it. I'm using a different keyboard, sure. Um, let me type correct example. So you can use this as a model, and you can just have one line in between the body. I'm just saying that whatever you want to have displayed, even if it's just one line of HTML, it goes in the body area for something you want to be displayed, okay? All right, everybody, please get some rest because throughout Friday, And you'll have lots of work for throughout Friday and Saturday. So get some rest tonight. Okay. Thank you for your participation and your enthusiasm. I know some of you have to go to work in the morning. That's why we always try to keep the classes short. Okay. So yeah, get some rest tonight. You're gonna need it, all right? Get some rest.